Have you ever sat down to start your research project, but your mind goes completely blank when it's time to choose a topic? You are not alone. Many undergraduate students struggle at this stage because they either choose topics that are too broad, too difficult, or simply not interesting enough to keep them motivated. But in today's lesson, I'm going to show you a simple and practical way to choose a strong research topic without stress. Welcome to Undergraduate Research Africa, your trusted channel for thesis writing, project work, action research, and academic guidance for undergraduate students. Today we will be learning about how to choose a research topic. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like this video so you never miss any helpful academic content from this channel. Now let's get into the lesson. Step 1. Choose a topic. You are interested in the first mistake many students make is choosing a topic just because someone else used it. Remember this, you will spend weeks or even months working on this project. So if the topic does not interest you, the entire research process will become stressful and boring. Choose an area you genuinely like. For example, if you enjoy education, technology, business, health, or social media discussions, start from there. Interest creates motivation. Step 2. Identify a problem. Research is about solving problems. A good research topic must focus on an issue that exists in society, schools, businesses, or communities. Ask yourself, what problem do I want to investigate? For example, students may struggle with poor academic performance. Teachers may face challenges using technology in classrooms. Small businesses may struggle with digital marketing. Once you identify a problem, you're already close to finding a strong topic. Step 3. Make sure materials are available. This is very important. Do not choose a topic that has no available information, books, journals, or online resources. Before finalizing your topic, search online or visit your school library to check whether enough information exists. If materials are difficult to find, your research process will become frustrating. Choose a topic with accessible information and previous studies. Step 4. Avoid topics that are too broad. Many students choose topics that are too wide, for example, the impact of social media. This topic is too broad. Instead, narrow it down. For example, the impact of social media on academic performance among college students. Now the topic is clearer and easier to study. A focused topic leads to better research. Step 5. Consider your field of study. Your topic should relate to your course or department. If you are an education student, your topic should connect to education. If you are a business student, focus on business-related issues. This helps your supervisor understand that your work is relevant to your academic discipline. Step 6. Discuss with your supervisor. Never be afraid to ask questions. Your supervisor can help you refine your topic, narrow it down, or improve it. Sometimes a small adjustment can make your topic much stronger, so always seek guidance early. To summarize, here are 6 simple ways to choose a good research topic. Choose a topic you are interested in. Identify a real problem. Make sure materials are available. Avoid broad topics. Choose something related to your field. Discuss your ideas with your supervisor. Remember, a good research project starts with a good topic, so take your time and choose wisely. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like, and let me know in the comments section what research topic you are currently struggling with. This is Undergraduate Research Africa, helping students succeed one research project at a time. See you in the next video.